Hello, I'm JB Freeman. I went to Brent High School. I chose the Citadel because it's like I think it's really cool how it's like a big brotherhood, kind of like fraternity deal, so you all always got each other's back. Fun fact.
Walter Mitty, I presume.
Let's go. I like blue. Everybody got My name is Joshua Sims. I was homeschooled, and I chose the Citadel because I want to go to the Navy, and there's only like 2 schools with Navy ROTC in the state. And fun fact, I play the piano. My name is John Warner. I went to Greenville College, Charter High School. Fun fact about me, or I guess the reason I want to go to Citadel is because I kind of want a challenge. And I guess fun fact about me is I'm in the Army Reserves.
Megan Bostic. I went to Teal Hannah High School. I'm one of the Citadel for mandated career benefits after graduation for federal agencies. And a fun fact is I abstinently watch crime.
I'm Jack Hibbett. I went to Greenville High School. I'm going for like the network and brotherhood. And fun fact about me is I like to hunt.
My name's Caleb Yon. I went to Teal Hannah. I chose Citadel because I like structure. I'm going to go in the Navy most likely. Fun fact about me is I play disc golf.
My name is Marshall Wyndham. I went to Wade Hampton. Definitely chose the Citadel for the brotherhood. I can touch my nose with my tongue. I chose the Citadel because I want to go to the Navy afterwards. I'm from Easley High School, and a fun fact about myself is I guess I like to play paintball.
I'm Jacob. I went to Bowling Springs High School. I chose the Citadel because I thought it would be fun.
Yeah, that's right.
Fun fact, I have 2 brothers.
My name is David Wyatt. I'm from Pickens High School. The reason why I wanted to go to the Citadel was I liked it down there, and I like challenges. Fun fact about me is I'm like an avid hiker, so.
My name is Ethan Jennings. I'm from Pendleton High School. The reason I chose the Citadel is because I knew what my weaknesses were, and so I wanted to produce the best kind of man that I could be. I guess a fun fact about myself would be I enjoy watching and studying criminal behavior.
I'm Hunter McDonald. I'm from Easley High School, and the reason I chose the Citadel is ever since I heard about it, I knew that's where I wanted to go to school, and I'm a good pickleball player.
My name is Josh Woody. Went to Easley High School. Chose the Citadel because I want to be a successful person in my future. And, I'm going there to play baseball as well.
I'm Philip Amati. I went to Hillcrest High School, and fun fact about myself, I like the camaraderie around Citadel. It's second to none in my book, and I figured out that I do not like running.
My name is Roland Bruce. I'm from Greenville High School, and I chose the Citadel because of the traditions and the structure of it. And a fun fact about me is I'm majoring in civil engineering.
My name is Matt Brown from Southside Christian School. Chose the Citadel for the brotherhood and the benefits. Fun thing about me is that I like watching Alabama win national championships in football all the time.
You know what, Clemson and the Moon haven't come?
Clemson sucks.
They both control the tide.
My name is Luke Phillips, known at Riverside High School. I chose the Citadel because of the brotherhood. And fun fact about me, I like watching Clemson win national championships.
I might need
I went to Carolina High School, and I want to go to Citadel because it's a beautiful campus and camaraderie and brotherhood. And fun fact about me, I'm very observant.
My name is Jordan Kuzniak. One of the reasons why I'm going to Citadel is because it's one of the best senior military colleges out there. And interesting fact about me, I can speak French.
My name is John-Preston Wood. I went to Easley High School. I chose the Citadel because of the brotherhood and the networking. And a fun fact about me is, I guess I'm the tallest.
My name is Riley Gagan. I'm going to the Citadel because I wanted to join the Air Force ROTC and still stay in state. Fun fact about me is I still don't know what business casual means.
My name is Aiden Smith. I graduated from Valhalla High School, and I chose the Citadel because I'm looking to be pushed, and I want to make my grandfather proud. He just passed away last year.
My name is Joshua Hind. I graduated from Woodmont High School. I don't think there's any other Woodmont High School graduates here. Small school. The reason I chose the Citadel is Clemson is definitely not an option, Mom. And a fun fact about myself, I've moved, I think it's 31 times now. No, it'll be 32 at the Citadel. Charleston could.
Hi, my name is Ethan Eckersley. I'm from Wade Hampton. Fun fact about I want to go to Citadel because it's in the great town of Charleston, and the school makes me focus the most, honestly. And there's more I can focus on school. And fun fact about me, never broken a bone.
Hi, my name is Alex Tibbigan. I went to Eastside High School, and I want to go to the Citadel because of the network of connections and it's a brotherhood. And the fun fact about me is I'm ginger.
My name's Caleb Dehart. I went to TR High School. I want to go to Citadel for the Marine Corps after, just for the benefits, and I can play these songs.
And the free haircut.
Hello, my name is Tyler Adler. I graduated from JLMN. I'm originally from New Jersey, so this is kind of a newer area for me, so kind of newer culture. Yeah, I don't know how to say that. Interesting fact about myself is I've been to over 10 baseball stadiums, minor league and major league included, so it's been really cool to travel the country.
My name is Drew Whitley. I went to St. Augustine Prep up in New Jersey, moved down here to get into situation. I'm going to the Citadel because of the Marine Corps afterwards. I'm going there. Play rugby as well. Cool fact about me, there's not much.
My name is Aiden Williams. I went to Brazier Middle College High School as well. I chose the Citadel because of their civil engineering program. And one fun fact about me is I love the beach.
Hi, my name is Landon Gregory. I went to Powdersville High School, and I wanted to go to Citadel because I wanted to challenge myself. And fun fact about me is I like to fish.
Hey, my name is Cassidy Hill. I went to Brazier Middle College Charter High School. I'm going to the Citadel for the challenging environment and also the honor, duty, and respect that we have to have. And then, a fun fact about me is I'm on the rifle team in the Citadel.
Hello, my name is Woods Ridgeway. I'm going to the Citadel for the Brotherhood. And fun fact about me is I stand for the anthem.
My name is Brian Rose. I'm going to Citadel for mainly just the brotherhood and just the structure that they have there. A fun fact about me is I jumped on an oyster bed last spring break in Charleston, and I went to Greenville High School.
Hello, my name is Hutchins Rowe. I graduated from JLMN High School.
chose the Citadel because I need structure in my life. And a fun fact about me is I eat Chinese food over 3 times a week.
My name is Brady Minnick. I went to Wade Hampton. I wanted to get to the Citadel for brotherhood and a free haircut. And I'm definitely the shortest person going to the Citadel.
Way to go. All right, so thank y'all again for coming. All of you guys are going to get a picture right here in front of the flags. But before I kind of dismiss you to do that, just want to thank